In 1908, a cataclysm struck Messina and Reggio Calabria, leveling cities and redrawing the Italian coastline forever. The earthquake measured about 7.1, followed by a devastating tsunami and fires that swallowed entire neighborhoods in minutes. Survivors included engineers recording seismic patterns, priests directing rescues, and refugees improvising shelters from ship hulls and timber. Their accounts pushed officials to rethink urban planning, enforce stricter building codes, and coordinate emergency response across provinces. Messina's memory anchors modern disaster management, showing how geology, policy, and community resilience shape history when nature tests us.